Well, hello, friends. It's Kevin Goehring, your Sacramento Stockton area realtor and lender, here with this week's weekly real estate report. Well, let's take you right over the chart this week and let's take a look at what's going on. I've had a lot of calls, actually the last few days, asking me, Kevin, what is the chart doing this week? We can't wait for your report to come out. Just tell us now. So here we are. So getting right to it, the green line, which is my active sales in our area. Active sales are continuing to climb. We've been waiting for this for so long. It's finally here. It's been happening the last couple of weeks. But the big question is it enough? You know, what does a normal cycle look like? Well, the normal active, let me look at my notes real quick. Normal active normally starts to climb right around the end of March and then beginning of April. We had that. So if we go back, we kind of look at, let me get the dates to kind of come up here. We go back, where's the beginning of March here, February, March, right around here. And we can see that right about there, yes, in fact, we have started to climb. It's reasonably normal. It didn't take off like we wanted it to. And we can expect this to continue to climb all the way into the fall, say late August, September, October, depending. It varies every year. But that would be normal. So waiting to see what this is going to do. Obviously, we got to get above 3,000. We really do. We're still down here well below 3,000 at around 2,600 of available, 2,600 is the number of available homes. Now, looking at the pending sales. Okay, we're dropping off. I am a little surprised to see that. You know, the inventory being so low and the market being so hot, you would actually think that buyers would still be out there. As a house comes on the market, they'd be snagging it up, right? There's such a demand and not enough of the inventory that you would think that the pending sales would continue to climb, but it's really acting like a very normal cycle, which is it climbs until the end of May, and then it starts slowly dropping off. Now, if we look back in history, okay, again, we don't want to look at last year because that is not normal, but we go back into 2019, we can kind of see that, yes, right about this time of year, we kind of held steady, April, May, kind of steady all the way into in July, towards the end of July, and then starts falling off. So we go back a little bit. We had right over there 5 at the end of April, May. Sorry about that, May. End of May, it just started falling right off. So it's holding a little better than what it has been, but still definitely declining. So that change is on the horizon. It really is. And we're starting to look a little bit more like a normal market. You know, if we look up here at the median sales price, yes, it has just gone stupid. It has gone stupid, not stupid, with 2 O's, as some people would say. Nuts. It is climbing, climbing, climbing. I expect to see that start to taper off. You know, looking at my other data, we talked about this last week, the surprising number of homes that are actually seeing price reductions. I am hearing more and more agents actually calling me saying, you know, well, they're calling about the chart. Kevin, what's going on? I need to know. I've got a house I had listed for a week now, 2 weeks. We've had 3 or 4 people show up. People just aren't showing up. I don't get it. We seem to be priced right. We're even priced a little bit better than what we thought we should be, lower than what we should be based on the competition. But, you know, I really think that the market is changing. It's getting back to normal. Buyers have backed off a little bit. They're not willing to overspend. They are taking a break. So, you know, sellers, be aware. The overpriced homes are just not selling. We're getting back to normal. I'm so happy to hear that. So, all right, on to rates. Let's see, where did rates go? Well, rates actually, Freddie Mac is reporting they went down a little bit. Well, okay, they went from 3.02 at 7.7% origination to 2.98. So what's that, down 4 basis points? And then the points got a little bit better, 0.6 of a point up front. So really, you know, what I've been saying, it's right around 3% is the average 30-year fixed rate. And like I always say, it is the average. My clients are better than average, so they're getting better than the average rate, right? Or is my, so we'll just leave it at that. So that's what's going on this week. It is really, it's kind of a 4 or 5 day weekend, I think. So Monday's a holiday. People are taking quite the weekend off. Real estate sales typically slow once we get back from this holiday. Let's wait and see what happens. So tune in here next week and I will let you know. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.